Hi, this is also watching Mr. Ansian on YouTube. In this video, we have a topic on characteristics of sound. In the past video, we knew that sound is produced by waves, by vibrating objects. When any object vibrates, it produces waves due to which we hear sound. Sounds of different objects can be distinguished on the basis of different characteristics as described below. So every object has different sound according to their qualities, characteristics. Loudness. We can say that this object is producing sound loud than any other object. So we can compare those objects, the sound of those objects according to their characteristics. The first characteristic is loudness. Loudness is the characteristic of sound by which loud and faint sound can be distinguished. When we talk to our friends, our voice is low. But when we address a public gathering, our voice is loud. So we can compare that one time we are speaking low and then we are on loud. Loudness of a sound depends upon a number of factors. Some of them are discussed below. Amplitude of the vibrating body. First we have amplitude of the vibrating body. What is the amplitude of vibrating body? The loudness of the sound varies directly with the amplitude of the vibrating body. So the sound of the body depends upon the amplitude of the vibrating body. The sound produced by a sitar will be loud if we pluck its wire more violently. Similarly, when we beat a drum forcefully, the amplitude of its membrane increases and we hear a loud sound. So it depends upon the amplitude of the vibrating body. Here you can see large amplitude we have a loud sound, and when we have a small amplitude this will be quiet sound. Okay, the next thing that depends upon the sound is area of the vibrating body. On which area of the body you are want a sound. The loudness of sound also depends upon the area of the vibrating body. For example, sound produced by a large drum is louder than that by a small one because of its large vibrating area. If we strike a tuning fork on a rubber pad, a feeble sound will be heard, but if a vibrating tunnel fork is placed vertically on the surface of a bench, we will hear a loud sound. From this we can conclude that the loudness increases when the area of the vibrating and vice versa increases. For your information, thin-walled glass goblets can vibrate when hit by sound waves. This is due to a phenomenon of a sound known as resonance. Some singers can produce a loud note of particular frequency such that it vibrates the glass so much that it shatters. So gonna see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye for now.